Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Ark Survival Evolved crashing on PC, so let's start. So for the first method, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. After that, if you do see your launcher that you have the game on appearing, whether it's Epic Games or Steam, you want to go right click on it and then select exit in order to terminate the process. After that, go to the search bar and type in device manager. Make sure to open that. So this window will pop up. So go look for display adapters, open that and select your graphics card, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers and select close. Now close everything. Next, go open the launcher. You'll be redirected to the store, so go to the top left corner and select on the view option and then select library. From here, search for Ark Survival Evolved. You must have it installed right here. When you do, you should just go to this gear icon. After that, select on properties. Now go to launch options and type in this command -dx11. After that, go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. By that, it will start by verifying the original files of the game, and any corrupted or missing file will be automatically recovered and restored without any issue. Make sure to wait for the process to finish. After that, close everything. Now you can try relaunching the game and see if it works. Otherwise, go to the Windows icon. Make sure to have your Windows updates downloaded and installed correctly. After that, go restart your computer and try again. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.